Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. How are you doing today? Ça va? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça? Oh, ça va mal. Moi, ça va bien, because it's really nice to see you. Today is jour number... Can you count with me while doing some press-ups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! It is jour 20, day 20, and it's lovely to see you here today. Now in today's video, you're going to see me making my lunch. We've had quite a few videos already on food, haven't we? Wait, what? Where have I gone? Don't forget that if you enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But in the meantime, let's get cracking on with our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day means I eat. Oh, I love to eat. Écoutez, je mange. Je mange. Je mange. Répétez, je mange. Je mange. Je mange. Très bien. So without further ado, let's move on to our ooh la la vocab. And today we've got a bit of a special treat in store, so come with me into my kitchen. So bienvenue, welcome chez ma cuisine, to my kitchen. I think this is the first time that we've ever left my bedroom, which is just next door. Today we are going to make some déjeuner, some lunch. This is basically the same lunch that I've made every single day during the lockdown, and believe you me, it's got quite boring, but it's a successful formula. First off, we have some bread. Du pain. Écoutez 6 fois. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Répétez. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Du pain. Can you think of another French phrase that we've learnt involving du pain? Du pain au chocolat. Chocolate bread. Très bien. Next up, we're going to make a salad. De la salade. Écoutez 6 fois. De la salade. 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 Répétez. De la salade. 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 Next up, we need a tomato. Une tomate. Écoutez 6 fois. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Répétez. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Une tomate. Nom 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 nom. For our salad, we need a little bit of a vinaigrette, a salad dressing, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mayonnaise, and whole grain mustard. Now let's mix up our vinaigrette, our salad dressing, and pour it over our salad. Now that we've got our salad with its vinaigrette, it's time to see which cheese we have, which fromage we have. Écoutez 6 fois. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Répétez. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. Du fromage. This is camembert, one of the tastiest, scrummiest French cheeses. Oh, look at that. Pure French magique. Can you feel the tension of the pain? Yay! So now it's time to add some butter, or as they say in French, du beurre. Écoutez 6 fois. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Répétez. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. Du beurre. You've got that yum, 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 yummy. And one little guilty pleasure to add to all of the healthiness. We have some crisps. So last but not least, écoutez 6 fois. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Répétez. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. Des chips. And in French, when people are about to start a meal, you say, répétez, bon appétit. Bon appétit, Mr. Innes. Merci. Bon appétit, bon appétit, bon appétit, bébé. And then we do have to have a fruit for dessert, don't we? Banane, ananas, ananas, banane. Ananas. Looks like it's a banana for me. And now it is time for which one's missing? So I'm going to show you 4 pictures, and I'm going to talk you through the first 3 rounds, and then you are on your own. Alright, let's go. First up we have du pain, une tomate, du beurre, and de la salade. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said une tomate. Next one. We've got du pain, des chips, du beurre, and de la salade. Which one's missing? Très bien, if you said du pain. Next one. We've got du fromage, des chips, du beurre, and de la salade. Which one's missing? Fantastique if you said de la salade. Next one. And I'm not helping you this time. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said du beurre. Next one. Which one's missing? Fantastique if you said des chips. And the last one. Which one's missing? And magnifique if you said du fromage. So now it's time for sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Allons-y. Let's go. Can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Je mange. I eat. Très bien. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we're eating lots of different tasty foods for our lunch. I'll show you the phrase of the day, and then I'll show you the picture. And you can répéter, repeat after me to start off with. Je mange une tomate. Je mange une tomate. Très bien. Next up. Répétez. Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. Très bien. Next up. Je mange du beurre. Je mange du beurre. Très bien. Now I'm not going to help you anymore. What if we wanted to eat some crisps? We would say... Je mange des chips. Très bien. What about some cheese? Je mange du fromage. Oui, très bien. And last up, what about some salad? Je mange de la salade. Très bien. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that 70% of French people eat cheese every single day? But who can blame them really? They've got lovely tasty cheeses like camembert and brie. Pretty tasty, although maybe a little bit smelly. So the average French person eats 24 kilograms of cheese every single year. That's about the weight of both of my legs put together. And last up today is our song of the day. Now today's song of the day is all about food, and it is from the film Ratatouille, or Ratatouille, and it is called Le Festin, which means the feast. And you can find a link to the video in the description below. That's it for jour number 20, très bien, of French with Mr. Innes. It's been lovely having you with me and seeing a little bit more of my flat. Hope to see you next time round. In the meantime, stay tuned for the blooper reel. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel below, and à bientôt, and au revoir! Deux. Ugh. I think this is the first. Next up we need time for a little bit of can't remember what we need. And now it's time for our fun. Spat everywhere. There you go. Did you know that's the average? No, that's about the weight of both of my legs put together. It's been lovely having you.